While color mode doesn't have a dedicated UI for keyframing specific to color mode, there is a way that you can keyframe the various color controls. And it's the same way you keyframe pretty much everything else in Premiere. It's by opening up the effect controls and using the keyframe interface found inside of the color effect. One thing you need to understand is that there is no color effect applied to a clip unless you've first made some kind of adjustment. So in this case, if I decide to raise contrast a little bit and drop exposure, warm things up, now I have this color effect. And if I want to do some keyframing, I can go ahead and add an additional clip adjustment. You can only keyframe clip operations, not sequence operations or group operations, because clip operations are the operations specific to a particular range of frames. If I want, I can double click this operation and give it a name, keyframe effect. And now I can open that keyframe effect operation up, and I can go into whichever set of controls I need to keyframe. In this case, I want to keyframe the global controls. And if I resize this so I can read the names, here is exposure. So I can click to enable keyframing for exposure. That places a keyframe. And now I can drag the playhead through this and do whatever change I need to make to create my keyframed effect. And there you have it. Pretty much in every respect, keyframing color controls is exactly the same as keyframing any other set of parameters. You will want to be aware that a variety of controls in color mode actually control two different parameters. And inside of the effect controls, you'll see each one of these individual parameters available for keyframing.